Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you GK 27th chapter Religious Movement. Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism were organized as religious movements in India. Today they are followed all over the world. The cross fertilizations of religions and culture across Central Asia, the Indian Persian world was fundamental to the development of Asian societies between the early 16th and the mid 19th centuries. Movement of people and goods along the trading routes of this macro religion resulted in the transfer of beliefs and religious practice too, and ultimately changes to these religions themselves. Islam, Buddhism, Hinduism, and Sikhism all travel between peoples and cultures, with, for example, Sufism becoming popular in northern Central Asia. So, all these religions were spread their beliefs to throughout the country. Here some questions are given. Let us see the questions one by one. First question, Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment at Bodh Gaya. The holy book of Buddhism is called Tripitaka. The stories of previous incarnation of Buddha are compiled in Jatakas. Lamas are the Buddhist monks. Buddha gave his preachings in Pali language. Jain caves are located in Udayagiri. Lord Mahavira preached in Ardha Magadi. The most important parts of Jain canons are Angas. The first initiation ceremony of the Khalsas took place in Anandpur Sahib. The 10th Guru of the Sikhs was Guru Gobind Singh. Guru Gobind Singh took Samadhi in Hazi Sahib. The Golden Temple was built by Guru Ramdas. Now let us study Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian honor given for exceptional services towards advancement of arts, literature and science, and in recognition of public services of the highest order. The first ever Indian to receive the award was the famous scientist Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. Here some pictures are given. They all are Bharat Ratna awardees. Now let us see the first pictures. Mother Teresa. She received the Nobel Prize in 1979 for work undertaken in the struggle to overcome poverty and distress, which is also constitute a threat to peace. Now second question, the former president of South Africa who fought bravely for his country, Nelson Mandela. After becoming involved in the anti-apartheid movement in his 20s, Mandela joined the African National Congress in 1942. For 20 years, he directed a campaign of peaceful, non-violent defense against the South African government and its racist policies. He was the architect of the Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he was the chairman of the drafting committee, is widely considered to be his chief architect. It imparted constitutional supremacy since it was created and it was adopted by its people with a declaration in its preamble. Next question. She is the famous singer who is also known as the Melody Queen, Lata Mangeshkar. Next, fifth question. He was the former Prime Minister of India who was elected to the position twice in 1996 and 1999 respectively, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Next question. He is a great sitar player. He set to music इकबाल सॉन्ग सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, Pandit Ravishankar. The Indian physics who received the Nobel Prize in Physics, C.V. Raman. His birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day, S. Radha